The Dysaim gesture sensing RC stunt car is a fascinating toy that has captured the attention of kids aged 6 to 12 and their families. This 4WD remote control car stands out due to its innovative gesture sensing technology, allowing users to control the car simply by moving their hands while wearing a gravity sensing watch. This feature adds a novel and interactive dimension to the traditional remote control car experience. Besides hand gesture control, the car can also be steered with a conventional handle controller, offering flexibility for different users and preferences. The 2.4 GHz anti-interference remote control technology supports multiple cars racing simultaneously, which is a great feature for group play and competitive fun. The car itself is capable of omnidirectional drifting and performing cool stunts such as 360-degree rotations, 45-degree climbing, double-sided flips, and switching between off-road and on-road modes. This versatility ensures a thrilling driving experience that appeals to both kids and adults. The car is equipped with dazzling, color-changing lights, dynamic music, and a fog sprayer, which enhance the gaming experience by making it exciting both during the day and at night. Its flexible bionic joint design allows it to conquer various terrains including grass, desert, rocks, stairs, and rough roads, making it a robust and adaptable toy. The package includes 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that provide 50 to 60 minutes of playtime with fast and convenient USB charging. This ensures extended fun without long interruptions. Many users have praised the car for its fun factor and innovative control method. Children especially enjoy the hand control feature, which adds an engaging and futuristic feel to the playtime. The music, lights, and smoke effects are also highly appreciated for adding to the immersive experience. However, some users have noted that the hand controls can be a bit challenging to get used to initially, but once mastered, they offer a unique and enjoyable way to operate the car. A few customers mentioned issues with the wrist-controlled remote not working properly and difficulties in getting a response from customer service, which is a downside to consider. Another point raised by users was the absence of a charging cable in some packages, requiring them to purchase one separately, which caused inconvenience. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall feedback is very positive. The car is regarded as a great gift for children, especially for birthdays and holidays, and it has been well received by kids who enjoy its interactive and versatile features. The design and build quality appear solid enough for typical play, although long-term durability remains uncertain for some buyers. The Dysaim gesture sensing RC stunt car offers a fresh take on remote control cars by combining traditional controls with advanced gesture sensing technology. It provides a fun, engaging, and multi-sensory experience with its lights, music, and fog effects. Its ability to handle diverse terrains and perform impressive stunts makes it a standout choice for children interested in RC cars. Overall, this product is highly recommended for parents and gift givers looking for an innovative and entertaining toy that encourages active play and skill development. If you have this car, sharing your experience in the comments will help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and help you find this exciting RC stunt car easily.